Need to check the sound. Check, check, check. Okay, so I'm not even sure what is he doing. I'm in cursor, but I'm trying at least to launch the app today. My computer got super crazy and I got super tired. Too many stuff happened today. Maybe I should have made another stream on another channel today for Balconies of Barcelona, but that's kind of enough probably for today. So I will just proceed with coding. So yeah, cursor is doing something. I want to see. I opened Figma, but where is it? Yeah, I want to see what I can do in here. Some kind of maybe interesting design. So this is my goal, to arrive to this kind of graph. Once that's going to be over of indexing, I will proceed. Because on apps on Google Play it's already working. Come on, why so long? Why so long? Today's very weird day. It's hard for me to understand whether it's got stuck or it's just loading, but it was in progress somehow. So but the errors are gone. Oh my god. It's one of the very weird days when nothing is working. Like maybe today is some kind of like magnetic stuff happening on the sun. Why it's stuck? Like really? Okay, gonna write. Cleaned build folder and still doing it. Okay, it's time for me to Google to realize what is happening. So I'm gonna say that indexing, processing files, Xcode, slow. There are millions of people already who is asking the same question. No, don't tell me that this is because of my Xcode version. Okay. This might help. This might help. What it says, deleted everything in here. Let's see. Let me go to this. It was library. Don't want to share all my folders, so library, developer, Xcode, derived data. Gonna delete all of those. The pods. Okay, what if I'm gonna just click run? What you gonna do? I'm gonna run the emulator. You run in two processes. Well, good. We managed to launch the emulator, but well, good for you, Xcode, that you managed to run Safari, but I'm actually asking, but what if okay, let me try to, I don't know, I'm gonna open another project and I will see if I can run it. Just stuck on indexing. This one is not, it's building immediately. So it's something wrong with my project. When I broke it, I don't understand. Or it's because I was launching it on my iPad. So eventually this one gonna run, but I have done something wrong. Because for screen time monitor, I was running the app on iPad. Because like I need to work with permissions and stuff, so it was hard for me to. So come on, did we launch Dreidel app? I don't see that you're running it, but okay, it's kind of better than it could be. I understand. Okay, stop all tasks and bye-bye. And this one, still indexing in processing files. Like, what is this? Indexing, processing files, Xcode. Xcode stuck on indexing. Open your project folder. They are suggesting, okay, I can do it. Okay, I can even close it. Stop all tasks, and we're gonna do this. Need to open it. Good work, you are very hard working. I asked you question in your last video and yet no get answer. Maybe you can repeat the question. I don't remember. Maybe you ask. Normally, actually, I'm trying to remember and answer. Maybe I lost it. It's just I'm sorry. I'm a hard-working person. Got very tired. I just I was considering a lot my whole strategy over YouTube and Twitch. Well, Twitch and YouTube I can change, but on YouTube I realized that I also consulted with ChatGPT about this. I cannot stream, like for instance, a C, how I work on the C, and also my coding stuff. And I guess it's also related to the community. So as soon as I stream how I walk on the beach on my channel for coding, people don't like it and they unfollow me. So I decided that I gonna split, and I opened another channel where I'm just gonna do everything else, but not coding. So I'm gonna just filter it up. How is your journey? Ah, okay. I didn't reply. I was pretty much sure that I wrote, how are you making money with your apps? Kindly explain the business model of your making apps. Yeah, I can explain. Let me do this, and then we will try to launch Xcode and see if when it's gonna index in it for 5 minutes, hopefully not 1 hour. Of course, I can explain. Actually, remember this. I saw that I answered. So open your project. I'm not gonna share my screen about what I do here. So okay, I'm having my project in here. Oh my god. Okay, I open it. Right click and copy paste to safe place. Copy. What is safe place? Desktop is my safe place. Okay, kind. Where is it? Oh my god, I have so many stuff. Okay, done. Then right click. I already see package content. Okay, I see this one. Yes, I see it. Delete that file. Okay, I can. Okay. Delete. I'm just saying what I'm doing. I'm just saying, like on Stack Overflow, I'm just passing through those stuff. Reopen, clean and rebuild. Where's my Xcode? Just closed it. Let's see. How much you invest on AI tool, how much you're making money, is your money work or you do other work for money that's in advance. So I will say that I will not openly say about money. I will not talk online about how much money I pay. Well, first of all, because I guess it's very easy to guess, I guess. And also for my income of apps, maybe yet, I'm not ready to talk about it. Maybe eventually when I will be ready and I will see that there is something, I would not say that I do something solid. This is for sure. To not to have full-time job, right? For example, for sure, not even close to it. But I will not talk about it. I understand that it's kind of like the most interesting part, but I guess this is gonna be in a moment. I will talk about this when I'm gonna sit here on YouTube and say, I got my first million of euros on Calm Loop application, but it's not. So this is my, yeah, it's a little bit like maybe one day I can expose this, but for money, like to say numbers, I cannot. I'm just not there yet. But what can I say is that of course the general strategy is to put advertisements inside, and that's what pretty much I do. So this is screen time monitor, but it's not. It's not working. It's not working. How I did it before? Oh my god, I'm so bad with Xcode. It's never so hard on Android for me. Oh my god. Where it was clean project. Can I clean it? So where is my Stack Overflow? For a second. My Stack Overflow. I mean, I also would, about this question about, I would never probably do applications if it would not be directly related to all my career. I work for 15 years in software development, so there is no way out from this for me. So so I cannot clean, I cannot do anything, right? All right. Okay. It's like quite a failure today. I mean, so the dreidel is actually running. Okay. Let me try to open the one that I already. This one, we're gonna now index it for 10 million. If now it's gonna index it for 10 million hours, it would be like terrible. But the progress bar is going somehow. My idea of asking is to motivate others so they can start using AI tools and to start making money. But for that, if you had experience that you must share. No, I don't. No, I'm not must share anything. But why you ask me to motivate others? You can ask and share your information to motivate others. I motivate people the way how I can. But if you develop something with AI, you're very welcome to share in here. Right? Oh, actually, it worked, you know. Yeah, it's actually working. So it's a weird concept. I don't understand exactly how you build it up. You are asking me to to motivate others, so they can start using AI tools. I'm not even sure. My opinion. I cannot. I'm sharing my way. I'm sharing how I do, because artificial intelligence is so new and so unique. I'm pretty much sure that there is no correct way. The format. It's not something that like you would look and say, okay, now, like with YouTube videos, for instance, right? Like in 2000, that you can say, now let's grab some videos and we're gonna be popular and stuff. It's not working like this. No one knows right now how is it gonna go. So I'm just sharing my way how I do it. So it's a little bit weird of how you wrote it, like ask me to motivate others. Where is my emulator? It's in here. I got some kind of a mess. All right, so this is fixed. But now I'm gonna change a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna relaunch. Terrible. All right, so you can stare on my, I'm now on here, okay? So, I'm gonna copy paste, I'm gonna delete the not needed project. I'm gonna delete this and I'm gonna delete this. I'm deleting the stuff that I did, and I just put it back in here, and I need my Xcode back. Gonna open it again. And screen time monitor again. Let's see if this one again gonna work. Okay, let's see. Wow, I got super tired. Okay, so this is actually running for some unknown reason to me, but Stack Overflow helped me out. So I'm requesting access. Oh, wow, 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 wow. You are unique and intelligent girl, and one of few girls on YouTube that are consistent and learn every day. You're right. AI is new, but people can learn from others' mistakes. I understand, but you're not. I totally understand what you say. I understand even your point. But the thing is that you're not sharing your salary online. You're not talking online about your investments, right? You're not talking about this kind of stuff. Even I believe the people who are doing this, they are not sincere. Like like they might lie to you and stuff like this. And I'm not gonna lie. So I sincerely don't even think that I should motivate anyone because it might be dangerous. I don't want anyone to say go and pay for Cursor and do apps and then you're gonna be rich. And I'm never gonna say it because you probably will never be. So I'm just sharing the process how I do it. Maybe it's gonna help someone if they want to do the same. So people can learn from my mistakes. I share my mistakes quite a lot. It's not. Look, family control blah, 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 only for application. But why? What have happened? Why is today I'm struggling so much with just proceeding? Like yesterday, I was fixing some stuff on the scale where I can share stuff. I will share, of course, but income, no. And what I'm saying is that I use AdMob for advertisement, and sometimes they're like you need to be compliant, you need to do a lot of configuration. Also, the positioning of the advertisement, the ones that you place, it's important. So on Calm Loop, I have a position of my advertisement not in a. Why I cannot remove? I click remove and it's. What's going on? Today, I need just to stop working. Like I'm clicking remove the app. Okay, I don't give a damn. Just run on another emulator. Oh my God. So I'm not building. I'm poorly understand what exactly I did. But yesterday I closed all my current project and I opened Calm Loop and Reverse Audio Game. And I just had to do some changes for Reverse Audio Game and Calm Loop, and I was like fixing stuff. And since then, my another project was not launching, like the screen time monitor and stuff. I don't know why. So when I run, chose up to run. Okay, now I can choose this one. Okay, I'm running it and it should open. Okay, so if I request access, now it's working. It was again some kind of wrong stuff with emulator because it was using something else. I don't know. So continue. I'm giving access. I load with passcode. The passcode should be 000, I guess. All right. Approved. Done. So for screen time monitor, this is pretty much how Apple is working. I need to give the activities access. So let's see, choose activities and we select all. Done. Okay, it's good. Do we have anything to commit and on which branch are we? I don't even remember this. You're right. You're not selling dreams like other YouTubers. I like you and you're a good human because you're speaking truth and honest. Yeah, but I mean, if you're interested in motivating others, are you doing your applications with artificial intelligence or some other stuff? I actually was seeing that ChatGPT was down like an hour ago or something, at least for me or some. Yeah, now it's up. It was down. It was just not working at all. as I'm saying, like for me, what I'm doing right now is just like I spend a huge amount of time in front of the computer, and I'm very not like I cannot even if I want. It's very hard for me to do majority of the people activities. Like I'm really not into watch Netflix or stuff like this. I just not enjoying it. So I decided that I used to stream a lot of different stuff during COVID. So I will share also how I run my application. It's not the first time I had my applications published, even before artificial intelligence. Why you don't upgrade to Tahoe? Let me Google what is Tahoe. It's always good to learn. Oh my god, I still had indexing problem. It's AI model probably. We're building. What is that? Is that AI or? If you explain what is this, maybe I can answer to you, but I don't know. Maybe. Pam pam pam. Okay, this we did. So, how it should work? I selected all of the app, and now I need to pretty much go and open any other application. I'm gonna go open Dreidel. Know your system. I need to. I just had no time for it. I just had no time for it. So that why is it white? Like really, I don't understand. I was like facing so many errors today. I don't understand. Maybe like that's the problem of updates. In any case, I don't care what is being shown to us right now. I need to spend now because it's a screen tracking app. So I need to spend on emulator some time on another application to see if my screen time monitor is actually tracking some activity. So up, plum, plum, plum. Now we loaded all of the, well, I have a lot of stuff. Let me kill all of this. This is a reverse audio game. The ones that I had to update yesterday. So let's go back to screen time monitor. I mean, I'm out. I don't understand. It's never been like this. Maybe you're right that this is because of my system on Mac. I like just got the update and I need just to do it because I had no time. So I mean, like, what is this? Is it a joke? Now we open? No, we're not open. Like, why? What is going on? Could I just fuck. It's supposed to work. Oh my god. Like the only problem is I feel like it's all of the applications are just like this. Am I right? You wanna have a stream about how I update a software version? It's like it's supposed to load. That's probably why I had also this indexing problem. It was never happened to me before, ever. Want to explode it. I don't know how long time I need to wait. Focus game. This is a interesting AI game that I started to do where you need to guess whether the game is AI or not. So I'm killing it. Last time, if it's not gonna work now, I'm gonna just finish the stream and we will proceed tomorrow or any other day because I'm like, I would need really like Abdul Rahman Al Sulami. I would need to. Yeah, thank God. We loaded it. We loaded, and what we see, we pretty much see nothing. reverse. Okay, audio game crashed. There's some kind of very curious stuff happening to me. Okay, let's wait here for 1 minute and we will see. We will see. I'm basically waiting for to count like the minutes. I tested it on iPad and it was working. So for me, firstly, to proceed, I need to see that it's at least working the minimum as I want to. And then I would be struggling to make this kind of graph. So what we have, 2306. And then, well, maybe after 2306, I will just, if it's gonna show any kind of application, that would be all for me, because this is like, I don't know, some kind of a very, very bad progress today. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I it's true. I mean, like I was super in a rush and I wanted to stream something, and I was like, okay, you know this, like next. So how long we are? Maybe 1 minute. Let's wait. 2307. Good. Now we are ready. Okay, let me go here, and I go here. So we're supposed to get. We're supposed to have here at least. Still loading. Come on, like we are stuck again. This is not the screen, like it's not. Okay, anyway. My opinion is that this is a big fail, and I think you're right about my updates that I need to do. Let's wait until it's gonna load, and then I'm just gonna finish it, because I'm out from this terrible behavior today. I had to delete folders, update like my Xcode projects, blah stuff. It's crashing. And let's see. I will ignore. No activity yet for this day. Anyway, so it's not showing. Guys, I will finish for now. It was half of an hour today. But actually, it was not half of an hour, because my stream was not working. So it's actually was maybe 1 hour even. But half of an hour. Still something. Discipline, right? I'm going to dedicate this stream to discipline. And even if you tired, you do something. So everyone, and 6938 and U2T. I don't know what are you talking about. No, I'm not doing any local apps. All right, so I'm sending kisses to everyone, and it's time for me to finish. But let me see. Maybe I can raid. So I'm gonna raid here people on stream. I have 2 viewers today on Twitch. Well, not that much to see today. Oh my god, why my views are increasing all the time when I'm leaving the stream? So to whom to raid you? Java torture. People on Twitch, you would be ready to Java torture. All right, and on YouTube, as I always say, I have no idea how to raid. If someone would know that there is a possibility to raid on YouTube, I will do it. And all right, so I'm gonna see you soon. Thank you so much, and bye. It's time for me to go, because I'm very tired. Yeah, see you. Bye. Bye, 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 bye.